The shooting of Renee Nicole Good in Minneapolis on January 7, 2026, by an Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) officer is a rapidly developing situation with intense legal and political friction. Whether the agent violated federal law or was justified depends on the ongoing investigation and which legal perspective is applied. Here is the current breakdown of the situation. 1. The official government position, justified. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and the Trump administration have officially defended the shooting as justified self-defense. The claim, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem stated the agent acted to protect himself and fellow officers after Good allegedly used her vehicle as a weapon. The rationale, under 8 CFR Section 287.8, federal agents are authorized to use deadly force when they have reasonable grounds to believe that such force is necessary to protect the officer or other persons from the imminent danger of death or serious physical injury. Political support. President Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance have characterized the incident as an act of self-defense during a high-stakes law enforcement operation. 2. Legal challenges and criticisms. Potential violation. Legal experts and civil rights advocates argue the shooting may have violated federal law, specifically 18 U.S.C. Section 242, which prohibits the willful deprivation of constitutional rights, and internal de-escalation guidelines. Proportionality. Critics point out that under the Fourth Amendment, as interpreted in Tennessee v. Garner, lethal force cannot be used solely to stop a fleeing suspect unless that person poses a significant threat of death or serious injury. Internal policy. Current ICE guidelines, updated in 2023, mandate that agents use force only when no reasonably effective, safe, and feasible alternative appears to exist, and prioritize de-escalation. The vehicle debate. There is significant public debate over whether Good's vehicle actually posed an imminent threat at the moment the shots were fired, or if the agent could have simply moved out of the way. 3. Procedural conflict. Who investigates? A major point of contention is jurisdiction. Federal control. The FBI and the U.S. Attorney's Office have taken sole control of the investigation. They have blocked the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension, BCA, from accessing evidence or conducting a joint probe. State pushback. Minnesota officials argue that the state should have a role in determining if state laws were broken. However, federal agents often claim Supremacy Clause immunity, which can protect them from state prosecution if they were performing their duties in a reasonable manner. Summary table. Compliance versus violation. Aspect. Justification argument. Violation argument. Federal law. Protected under 8 CFR Section 287.8. Self-defense. Possible violation of 18 U.S.C. Section 242.